Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this border in Design Space. Someone has requested this, so that's why I'm doing it. I'll show you now what I'm going to do. This is the border that I had posted on my website. meandmycricut.com is my website. There are Design Space links for all these pages, all of my pages there. So if you want page ideas and you want to copy some, you can just go there. Okay, so this is the border, and someone asked me how I got this to fit so perfectly. So I did it in Design Space using a slice. So I'm going to show you how I did that. I'll show you a different page with that same, here it is. So this is teenagers. So here it is down here and up here. So I used a different print up here. So to cut this out perfectly, it was really easy in Design Space. So here is the border that I used. I'm going to do this twice. I will use this red one as well to show you, because you can do this with other designs. So that's what we want under here. We want it to be a different print. So first thing you do is you go to Shapes. I'm going to get a square here. It's a little slow. Here we are. Now I unlocked. There we are. I unlocked it so I can make it into a 12-inch rectangle. And I want this to be 12 inches. So now I will make this there, light green. I'm going to put that on top, send to the front. I think I need to make it deeper if I want my border a little deeper. There we go. Okay, so now that's the depth my border is going to be. So I'm going to group this, and I am going to align left just to make sure it's right on the edge. And then I just click down here, right down in the bottom corner, slice. And now I can take this all apart. When I take this off, I can put it back over here. And this I'll get rid of. And now on your cutting mat, this will be two separate pieces. Right now it's keeping them together here. But once you've cut that, you just peel off the bottom and stick it there, and it will fit perfectly. Now I did separate it already. So this is what you get. So all you have to do is slice. It's easy. So I will get rid of that. And I'll do it one more time with this border so that you can see really how simple it is. I'm going to make this 12. And arrange, send to the front. I think this is really pretty, this border too. Whoops. Okay, so we'll make that 12. And this 12, I will make that light green again. And I'm just going to align it to make sure that align left. You could do or right, doesn't matter. Now I have to group this and hit slice, the first one. And now when you go to you just peel that off the cutting mat on your Cricut, and you will have another border up there. And I already did, we'll put this one at the top, so I will flip it. And I'll flip that vertical, and there you have a beautiful border. Now you could duplicate them and do a 2-page spread and run that border right across. So that's all there is to it. I hope this helped. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe below.